Making money in crypto can be hard. There is definitely those days where you feel like you've missed out on a lot of things. And maybe you had those days, those weeks, those months. And maybe you looked at it like, man, I missed out on that massive opportunity over there. Look, in this video, I'm going to share with you how I make money in crypto. All right. I have really two strategies, right? And I'm going to share with you both of those in this video. Okay. So thanks for giving me a few minutes. And here's real quickly the first method I do. So this is, by the way, not real exciting, but that's the point. Okay. So the first method of how I make money in crypto is I have a very good, simple, balanced uh, portfolio. And what I mean by that, it's diversified. I own Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, Shiba Inu. I own Solana. I own meme coins like Brett, things of that nature. Majority of the money, though, is in Bitcoin and Ethereum, and I buy and I hold. I've just simply bought it and I'm holding it until it hits a strike price that I'm looking for 30%, 50%, 100% on whatever my target is for my ROI for that investment, for that Bitcoin investment or that Solana investment. That's it. Buy and hold. That's all I do. Okay. And that takes a lot of emotion out of it. It takes a lot of angst out of it. I don't stress the days when things are down a little bit because I have a long-term vision of that. All right. So if you do just what I just told you, you basically say, okay, here's my money. Here's what I want to do. I'm going to put 10,000 in the market, whatever it is. Go buy Bitcoin, go buy Ethereum, Solana, whatever other ones, big ones you like. Maybe buy some meme coins if you want, whatever. If you know, some RWA, some AWA, some RWA coins and tokens, some AI tokens, whatever fits for you. Okay. And just have a long-term buy and hold. Have a profit target for each one and then wait and then sell when you hit your profit target. If you do just that, you're ahead of 95% of the people out there that are out there buying and selling crypto every single day. And you will make money. You will be way more profitable. Okay. So the other thing that I do is I have a short-term strategy where I make money on all of the above cryptos that I just mentioned, as well as others in the medium and the short term. I trade them in the medium to the short term. So give you an example, ApeCoin. So I don't know if you saw on the news that ApeCoin went from basically doing nothing, and there was a 3-day move up 92%. We see that little green box right there. That's a buy alert. That's a momentum up alert coming from my software, my trading indicator that I had built, that I spent 10 grand building the software. And yes, I use it to buy and sell crypto. And it runs on my mobile device. I have an Apple phone. It runs on my mobile and I have alerts set. So I had an alert for ApeCoin and it gave me an alert. It said it's time to buy. I went and bought some and there you go. And then it said it's time to sell 92%. To give you some perspective, $1,000 bought would have made you a profit of $929 in profit. Okay. Don't believe me on that one? All right, here's another one. Radium in 13 days, a buy alert, all the way up 74%. $1,000 bought would have made you $745 in profit. What the software does is it takes the blinders off and it takes your emotion out of the equation. It simply says it's time to buy or it's time to sell. Okay. So that was Radium. All right. Solana. Here's another one. Now this one I like because it shows you this. See, this blue box is 13 days. In 13 days, Solana went up 23%. 23% in 13 days is a really, really, really good ROI, return on investment. There's a buy. And you can see there's a sell because the market kind of consolidated. Remember that period where we kind of went sideways for a couple of days? Well, it said buy and then it was said sell. So let me show you that number. So it said buy and sell to there. That's a 6.5% move up. Okay. Wait a couple of days. Every single candle you see here is 3 hours. And then here's another buy alert coming in and boom, you got that run up. So you get a 20+% aggregate percentage up. This is it. That's what I do. Buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell. You can use it for any and all crypto. Okay. Here's Bitcoin right there. That's 10 days, 12, 13% up. Buy, sell, and then boom, there's been a new buy alert issued. Okay. So there's a link in the description below, right down there. If you're watching this over on X, it's going to be above me. I'll take you to this page. There's a discount code down there as well as check it out. Look, the software costs $1 a day with that discount code, $1 a day. You spend more than $1 on going out to lunch or going and buying a cup of coffee or a Coke or soda at any convenience store on any given day. So think about this. Invest in yourself. Invest $1 a day into yourself. Give yourself an added advantage. By the way, there's a 30-day, no questions asked, money back refund guarantee. Why wouldn't you do this, right? You have zero risk in this equation. I'm taking it out. There's no reason you shouldn't get up off the couch and try this. Here's the thank you page. After you join, this is it. You get all of it set up for you right here. Everything shows you how to do. Remember those alerts I said that I get on my phone? There's a 10-minute video that shows you step by step how to set those up. Everything is here for you. Okay. Sorry, there's a phone call coming in. Check it out. All right. Links in the description below or above. Give it a look. This is how I'm making money in crypto. Long-term buy and hold strategy. And in the short term, I'm buying and selling any of these different cryptos. Okay. I just got alert set. And then when the alert goes off, I go buy that one. When it says it's time to buy it, I buy it. When it says it's time to sell it, I sell it. And I lock in those profits on a short-term basis. That's it, guys. All right. So I'll see you. Go make some money later.